Hey, future tooth heroes! Have you ever seen a kid walk into the clinic with teeth that look green, brown, or even purple? And you stand there thinking, okay, what happened to this tooth? Well, today you're getting the easiest guide ever to understand all tooth abnormalities with crazy mnemonics, fun visuals, and tricks you'll never forget. We're going to zoom through tooth color with IC color, structure with Hemi-B plus dye, tooth number with less or more, tooth form with big or small, twins or triplets, and even eruption and exfoliation, all in a simple and memorable way. So buckle up, we're about to make tooth abnormalities not just easy, but actually fun. Let's go!
Mnemonic for tooth color abnormalities. IC color. I. Intrinsic. S. Systemic factors. E. Environmental exposures. E. Enamel dentin defects. Intrinsic causes. Mnemonic. 3 Ds inside the tooth. Dentin defects. Dentinogenesis imperfecta, blue-gray or amber. Deposits. Bilirubin, green teeth. Porphyria, red-purple. Drugs. Tetracycline, yellow-brown fluorescence. Extrinsic causes. Mnemonic. Coffee, Coke, chlorhexidine. Beverages. Coffee, tea, cola. Metallic stains. Iron to black, copper to green, silver to gray. Bacteria. Chromogenic bacteria. Green, orange. Medicaments. Chlorhexidine, brown stain. Enamel defects. Mnemonic. He might have bad enamel. Hemibe. Hypoplasia. E. Enamel hypermaturation. M. Mineralization defect. I. Inherited, Amelogenesis imperfecta. B. Birth trauma or prematurity. E. Excess fluoride. Fluorosis. Fluorosis progression. Mnemonic. White, brown, down, pitted. Amelogenesis imperfecta. Mnemonic. Happy teeth, sad enamel. Hypoplastic, hypomature, hypocalcified. Dentin defects. Mnemonic. DI. Dentin is imperfect. Dentinogenesis imperfecta. Opalescent amber or blue-gray, obliterated pulp. Dentin Dysplasia. Short roots, mobility, early loss. Type 1, root problem. Type 2, coronal problem. Mnemonic. I equals roots. 2 equals crown. Alphabetical R before C. Abnormalities of tooth number. Mnemonic. Less or more. Hypodontia. Most commonly missing teeth follow the 2-2-3 rule. Mandibular second premolars, maxillary lateral incisors, third molars. Oligodontia. 6 or more missing teeth, excluding third molars. Adontia. No teeth at all, linked to ectodermal dysplasia. Hyperdontia. Mnemonic. MPD. Most popular dentists. M. Mesiodens. P. Paramolars. D. Distomolars. Abnormalities of tooth form. Mnemonic. Big or small, twins or triplets. Macrodontia. Large teeth associated with pituitary gigantism. Microdontia. Small teeth. Classic example is peg-shaped lateral. Gemination. 1 tooth attempts to become 2. 1 root, 2 crowns. Mnemonic. 1 tries to become 2. G for giant baby tooth. Fusion. 2 teeth become 1. 2 roots, 1 crown. Mnemonic. 2 become 1. F for friendship tooth. Concrescence. Fusion by cementum only. Mnemonic. C for cementum. Dens Invaginatus. Dens in dente. Tooth within a tooth. Common in maxillary laterals. Mnemonic. Lateral loves to swallow itself. Dens Evaginatus. Extra protuberance. Mnemonic. Evaginatus equals extra protuberance. Taurodontism. Large pulp chamber, short roots, associated with Amelogenesis imperfecta. Mnemonic. T for Taurus. Big body, short legs. Delayed eruption. Mnemonic. Weight. W. Weak nutrition. A. Ankylosis. I. Impacted or infection. T. Thyroid and parathyroid disorders. Other causes include cleidocranial dysplasia and Down syndrome. Premature eruption. Natal or neonatal teeth. Mnemonic. Born with the bite. Commonly cause Riga-feed ulcer. Usually lower incisors. Associated with Ellis, Van Creveld syndrome. delayed exfoliation, mnemonic, sticking too long, linked to ankylosed primary molars, delayed eruption of successors, hypothyroid conditions, and cleidocranial dysplasia. Signs of ankylosis, low tooth, infraocclusion, no mobility, metallic sound on percussion, early exfoliation, mnemonic, gums fail, G. gingivitis, severe, U. undermined bone, hypophosphatasia, M. metabolic diseases, S. scurvy, F. familial neutropenia, A. aggressive periodontitis, I. immune disorders, L. leukemia.
Ultra mnemonic summary for 1-minute revision. Color to IC color. Structure to Hemi-B plus dye. Number to less or more plus 2-2-3 rule. Form to big or small, twins or triplets. Eruption to wait, later delay, and born with the bite, natal teeth. Exfoliation, gums fail. Now it's time for your quick quiz. Question 1. Green discoloration of teeth is most commonly caused by A. porphyria, B. bilirubin, C. iron, D. tetracycline. Question 2. The mnemonic Hemi-B refers to abnormalities of A. tooth form, B. tooth number, C. enamel defects, D. dentin defects. Question 3. A single tooth that tries to form two crowns but has one root is called A. fusion, B. concrescence, C. gemination, D. Taurodontism. Question 4. According to the 2-2-3 rule, the most commonly missing tooth is A. maxillary central incisors, B. maxillary canines, C. mandibular second premolars, D. maxillary first molars. Question 5. A talent cusp is an example of A. dens invaginatus, B. dens evaginatus, C. hypoplasia, D. Microdontia. Good luck! Let's see how many you get right.